One. Go.
Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Yeah, that one. I'll take this one.
I got you. On your knees.
I got mine. You got yours. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Oh.
Go.
Fuck. Go, go, go.
I need to make it to the airport.
Just need to make it to the...
Oh,
Oh, yeah, okay.
going this way.
I'm going to the church.
True. Oh, let me turn around. Oh, I'm turning back around. Oh, I'm stuck. Stuck. There we go. I got stuck. Wait, church isn't that far away either. That's funny.
No, it's not.
I don't know why I didn't. Alright, I just lost my cops. And I just killed the guest.
Alright, I got mine parked.
Bad cop. Move! Move!
Go, 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 go. Run.
Oh! Well, let me back up a bit. Oh. I'm trying to park mine right next to yours. Really?
See you run a few people over. Don't worry about it.
Yep. Let these guys shoot me for a few seconds. Get out, run! Get out, run! Get out, run! Oh no! Oh no! Nope! 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 Ow! Ow! Nope! 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 Whoa!
I got you covered.
I didn't almost shoot anybody in the head.
Fall back.
We got 4 stars. We're almost there.
Oh, you're at 4. I'm only at 3.
Alright, tell me whenever you get 5. Yeah, they're on the other side of the brush, but I can't see them. Got a helicopter up there, though.
One pilot down. And helicopter
I
down.
can't even see it, please. I heard that.
Oh, that put me up to 4 stars in a heartbeat.
Please. Ooh. Yeah, I'm having a shoot. Got him.
Runner's out of that helicopter. Oh.
Reloading. You're good. You're covered.
Oh!
Oops. My bad.
Now you're gonna hit.
Yep. No, I'm saying my bad.
Oh.
Sorry.
That was our getaway vehicle.
I still have one on the other side, remember?
You're driving, man.
I'll drive.
There you go. I'm still at 4 stars. If I need to go.
I'm at 5 now.
Are you at 5?
Officer down.
Whoa. Is that you just shot over my head?
Yeah. I'm trying to use the rocket launcher to get helicopters down.
There we go. I'm gonna clear them out real quick.
got 4.
So, okay, I can give you 5. You gotta remember that.
We gotta get out of
You
here!
can jump into my
I
truck.
got to earn a reputation.
I'll kill you!
I just have to keep mine. Whoa.
Trying to throw like a boss, just ain't making it.
Okay, let's go! Let it go! Oh, God!
Oh, use my spot.
Trying to get a little closer to the grenades.
Ooh.
There you go, 5 stars.
Ready to run to the car?
Yeah, tell me when you're in the truck and I'll jump to the passenger.
I'm going. Cover me. I'm in. Hurry up, jump in.
Alright. Go, go, go. Get ready to mark the station so we need to go down.
Do you want to go down the station or do you want to run on track real quick?
Do the subway. Try to make it straight to the subway. Oh! Got like a boss. Back up into it if you can.
Pedestrian, you're gonna have to move.
Squishy, 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 squishy.
As far as I can go, go. Good, I'm running. Oh, I died.
Yeah, go, go. Oh no!
I got shot once.
You were supposed to make it with me.
I tried, dude. I tried. All they had to do was
I'm
surround
going.
me like that.
I'm going.
Go.
I'm going.
It's alright, I should be able to get 5 stars back in a heartbeat.
Oh, I hear the train. I hear the train.
Oh, hell. And the train's gone, isn't it?
Nope, I made it to the train. I don't know if you'll make it down here in time, but I did.
I'm already sitting at 3 stars.
Nice.
Train's gone already, isn't it?
Nope. That's probably gonna pull out just as you make it down here.
What side's it on?
Left. You should see it as soon as you come downstairs.
Right here.
Go. Go, 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 go. Yes!
I'm sitting at 3 stars, so...
Pussy!
Dude, I'm stuck.
Nice!
There we go. All bloody. So I made it with 3 stars. Down here, anyway.
3 stars?
Yeah.
Still have my 5. Flashing now. Get ready to wipe.
Dude, just shot, dude.
Whoa.
Just shoot.
5 star, all we had to do was make it to the subway.
Why do we have a person down here?
It's a real question, isn't it? Oh, that's a little bit of excitement. Watch out. I think he's sticky bombed us.
Oh. Okay.
Did you get him?
Oh, he got me. Dude, that is an epic looking mask that he's using.
Oh, fuck. You got the sticky bomb. Oh!